Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do the herringbone double crochet. As you see, I have a gauge swatch here, and as you can see, it creates a great texture. You get your slanted stitches here, and then you get it on both sides. So let's grab some yarn and we'll get started. Now the herringbone double crochet, you don't have a multiple of stitches to worry about. You can use however many you like to create whatever you're doing. So we are going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and what we're going to do is we are going to yarn over and we're going to double crochet in that 4th chain from the hook, because these first 3 stitches create a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that 4th chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so now we're going to start the herringbone double crochet stitch. Okay, so you yarn over, insert your hook into that next chain, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and what we're going to do is kind of like a slip stitch. So we're going to take that 3rd loop and we're going to pull it through 1 loop, and that kind of creates your slip stitch. Okay, so we're going to yarn over and only pull through 1 loop. Okay, then you'll yarn over and pull through both loops, and there you have your herringbone double crochet. And as you can see, it is totally different from your regular double crochet. It kind of creates a higher stitch than a regular double crochet. Okay, so again, let's do another herringbone double crochet. So again, you yarn over, insert your hook in that next chain, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to take that 3rd loop and pull it through 1 loop. You're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay? So there you see how it creates slanted already and gives you a nice texture. Okay? So we're going to just do this in our next 4 stitches here. So again, you yarn over, insert your hook in that next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You're going to take that 3rd loop and pull it through 1 loop only, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so why don't you try that to the end of your row, and I'll go real slow and show you the stitches here. Okay, so there we have our first row of herringbone double crochet. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3 and turn, and we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go into the next stitch of our first row. Okay, so again, you yarn over, insert your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Take that third loop and only go through one loop. Yarn over, pull through one loop, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through, pull that first loop through the next loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, and then yarn over and pull through two loops. Okay, and then we'll just complete that all the way down to our chain 3 space. Okay, now we're at our chain 3 space, and we're going to do another herringbone double crochet in the top of the chain 3 space. Again, you wrap your yarn around the hook and pull it through. You have 3 loops, so you take that third loop, pull it through one loop, wrap your yarn around, pull through one loop, and then wrap it around and pull through both remaining loops. Okay, and there you have your herringbone double crochet. Again, you have that nice texture here. As you can see, that second row we did, you get a slanted stitch. So when you turn it around, you'll see it's slanted on the other side. So both sides are slanted. Your first row goes to the right, and then your second row goes to the left. Okay, so again, on my swatch, you can see the great texture that it creates. And then I used this stitch to create a man's tool belt here. So we have, you can see the herringbone double crochet texture, and then you can even see it on the pockets here. This, I used 2 strands of yarn at one time. So there is the herringbone double crochet. Thank you for joining me during this video tutorial. If you'd like to see any other stitches, just put those in the comments and I will make a video tutorial for you. Again, my name is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.